Wherever men have work to do, their safety must be guarded. No matter how risky their job might seem from a distance, we usually find that measures for their safety surround them.
Some things never change, like the fact that safety is the #1 priority for workers on the job site, especially in the elevator industry. And that's why it's the #1 priority for the team at Wurtec as well. I'm going to present some of our most popular safety products right here on this edition of Elevator Mechanics Toolkit. The Wurtec Flex Pack is designed to provide every piece of personal protective equipment you might need on the job in a convenient and compact bundle. The standard Flex Pack includes fall protection, eye and ear protection, a hard hat, lockouts, a respirator with retainers, a first aid kit, and a GFCI, plus a carrying bag that holds everything. The Flex Pack is fully customizable, so you can add in any extra products you might need, take out anything you don't, and make substitutions for different models of the same item. See our complete list of options at Wurtec.com under Personal Protection. Make Wurtec your destination for yellow barricades. We carry a variety of models at great price points, so you can easily protect others while you're working on the elevator. And for protecting yourself, you can't do better than safety netting or curtains from leading brands like Strongman and Pearlweave to defend against falling debris in the hoistway. Lightweight, durable, fire retardant, and OSHA approved. If a standard jumper is left on an elevator, the outcome can be disastrous. The elevator might run with the doors open, with the stop switch in the off position, or at a high speed when it's supposed to be slowing down. The Wurtec timeout jumper eliminates this danger by automatically timing out after a user-defined period to prevent the elevator from running with the circuits mistakenly jumped out. This is programmable with just 2 buttons so that you can adjust the time, add a name and a serial number, and password protect it. It's also available as a kit that includes 2 threaded probe tips to allow the connection of micro hooks, 2 alligator clips, and a protective case. If you'd like to learn more about Wurtec safety gear, check out Wurtec.com, or I'd love to hear from you directly. Reach out to feedback@Wurtec.com with comments or questions about any of our products. Thanks for watching Elevator Mechanics Toolkit, and I'll see you next time.